Hello and welcome to this video on technologies and terms used in internet banking. In today's digital age, the world of banking has undergone a significant transformation, with the widespread adoption of online banking. With the convenience and accessibility of internet banking, it has become an essential part of our daily lives. However, with the various technologies and terminologies involved, internet banking can be overwhelming for some people. Therefore, in this video, we will explore the different technologies used in internet banking, such as encryption, two-factor authentication, and biometric authentication. We will also discuss the terms commonly used in internet banking, such as ACH, EFT, and wire transfers. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of the technologies and terms used in internet banking, which will help you to navigate the online banking landscape with more confidence and security. So, without further ado, let's dive in. ATM. ATM is known as an automated banking machine, cash point, or cash line machine that is an electronic telecommunications device which enables the customers of a financial institution to perform financial transactions without the need for a human cashier, clerk, or bank teller. On most modern ATMs, the customer is identified by inserting the ATM card with a magnetic stripe or a plastic smart card with a chip that has a unique card number and some security information such as an expiration date or CVV. Authentication is provided by the customer entering a personal identification number, PIN. Using an ATM, customers can access their bank deposit or credit accounts in order to make a variety of transactions such as cash withdrawals, check balances, or credit mobile phones. If the currency being withdrawn from the ATM is different from that in which the bank account is denominated, the money will be converted at an official exchange rate. Thus, ATMs often provide the best possible exchange rates for foreign travelers, and are widely used for this purpose. ATMs are considered a convenient and efficient way to access financial services, as they reduce the need for customers to visit a physical bank branch during regular business hours. However, customers should be cautious when using ATMs, as criminals may attempt to steal their information or cash through tactics such as card skimming or shoulder surfing. It is always recommended to be vigilant when using an ATM and to report any suspicious activity to the bank immediately. Website security refers to the measures and practices that are put in place to protect websites from unauthorized access, use, modification, or destruction. Websites can contain sensitive information such as customer data, financial records, and intellectual property, making them vulnerable to attacks from cybercriminals. With the advent of online transactions, there has come a need that has forced banks to concentrate more on website security initiatives. Providing a safe, secure, and robust website with well-defined fraud resolution processes is one such initiative to handle frauds that happen online. User identification, data encryption, below 128-bit, audits and alarms, card verification codes, CVV/CVV2/CID, online security portal, virtual keyboard, and dedicated fraud management team are some of the standard security measures implemented by banks. In order to monitor and prevent internet banking fraud and other security breach attempts, the following technologies and procedures are a must-have for all the banks in addition to the standard features. Extended validation SSL certificates working in conjunction with anti-phishing and malware protection on browsers. Utilization of multiple-factor password authentication, enforcing re-authentication while accessing sensitive tools, hiding accounts, verified by Visa/secure code, digital signature, digital certificates, secure tokens, session logout, back and refresh activity, hot listing and blocking of fraudulent accounts. Use scramble pads against keylogging viruses. There are various ways to secure a website, including Secure Socket Layer, SSL, certificates. SSL certificates encrypt data transmitted between the website and the user's browser, preventing interception by third parties. Regular software updates. Keeping website software up to date with the latest security patches helps to prevent vulnerabilities that cybercriminals can exploit. Strong passwords. Passwords should be complex and unique, with a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Multi-factor authentication can also provide an added layer of security. Firewall protection. Firewalls can monitor incoming and outgoing traffic and block suspicious activity, such as hacking attempts. Regular backups. Regular backups of the website's data and files can help to prevent data loss in the event of a security breach. It is also important to have a plan in place for responding to security incidents and to train staff on how to recognize and respond to potential security threats. By implementing these security measures, website owners can help to protect their website and the sensitive information it contains from cyber threats. Further to the primarily front-end authentication controls listed above, the following security measures are really cutting-edge and competitive differentiators for any bank. These security measures will provide holistic end-to-end security for consumers as well as corporate clients. Date, time and IP/ISP restriction. Customers can select the days and specify time interval, the IP address and the Internet Service Provider (ISP) from which they connect to personal Internet banking. Geolocation. Geolocation services provide detailed information about a consumer's worldwide location, line speed, domain, etc., while performing online transactions. Biometrics. Biometrics are used to verify a person's identity by a unique physical attributes, e.g. fingerprint, iris recognition, palm print, that distinguishes the individual from any other person. Securing the perimeter. Denying access to the environment in which the Internet service operates by unauthorized external parties is a key target for ensuring the overall security of the system. Some of the measures in place to achieve this include multi-tier infrastructure segregated into separate security trust domains and industry standard intrusion detection system, IDS, monitored 24/7 by a centralized security monitoring group. Customer application control features. Some functional features to enable the customer to more easily control the use of the system, activity log tools, audit trail, and advance authorization structure. Security and fraud monitoring and incident response, including new vulnerability notification and response, security incident response program, contingency and recovery, and rule-based and anomalous behavior. Fraud monitoring should be done on customer internet sessions, profile information, and transaction details to obtain a risk score. Terms related to Internet banking. ACH/automated clearinghouse. An ACH is a transfer between accounts. When a user of an Internet banking system requests to move $50 from a checking to a savings account, the transfer ends up in an ACH file. This ACH file contains the instructions for the bank's core software on various transactions to perform. Account analysis, method by which a bank will waive certain hard charges to their customer's account depending on their average balance. Cash management, software that allows retail Internet banking, plus features designed for corporate banking, such as payroll, wire transfers, tax payments, and more. EBPP/electronic bill payment and presentment, allows the customer to view bills, such as cable TV or utilities, via their browser and allows the option of payment. There are 4 stages to EBPP. 1. Enrollment of customer. 2. Presentment of bill. 3. Customer's approval of payment. 4. Payment of bill. EFT/electronic funds transfer, the transfer of money from one account to another by computer. EFTPS, the payment of taxes over the Internet. EDI, electronic data interchange, EDI, is the exchange of documents in a structured form between computers via telephone lines. FastPay or QuickPay, etc., a local electronic transfer from one account to another. Payments are routed internally from the sender's account to the receiver's account without leaving the bank. Fed file, this is the file that contains ACHs, which are moving money from an end user's account inside the bank or credit union to an account at another bank or credit union. FADI, Financial Electronic Data Interchange, FADI, involves the computer-to-computer transmission of both payment instructions and remittance details using international message standards. An example would be trade payments, e.g., a retailer sending a payment to a supplier in payment of multiple invoices. Internet banking, also called online banking, etc., the technology, tools, and processes that give you access to your bank accounts and banking transactions from your personal computer. Typically, this includes checking account balances, obtaining a list of transactions affecting an account, and perhaps transferring funds from one online account into another. Memo post, a file that gets posted to your account when you perform a transaction that has not officially cleared. This is the feature that adds and subtracts funds from your account throughout the day, even though technically the money hasn't left your account, because your bank operates in the batch mode. Real-time financial institutions do not need memo post. NSF, not sufficient funds in your account to cover the specific amount of a transaction. Page counter, normally found at the bottom of a web page, a page counter actually counts the number of times people have viewed the web page. SET, Secure Electronic Transaction, a standard protocol from MasterCard and Visa for securing online credit card payments via the Internet. It is a three-way transaction. The user, merchant, and bank must use the SET protocols. Credit card data and a digital certificate, for authentication, are stored in a plugin to the user's web browser. TIN, Taxpayer Identification Number assigned to you by the Internal Revenue Service. Transactional website, a website that allows transactions, such as internet banking allows you to pay bills or transfer funds, or an e-commerce site that allows you to make purchases. And with that, we come to the end of our discussion on the technologies and terms used in internet banking. We hope this video has helped you to better understand the key concepts and practices involved in online banking and has provided valuable insights into the security measures you can take to protect your finances. As technology continues to evolve, internet banking will continue to play an increasingly important role in our daily lives. By staying informed and following best practices, we can ensure that we are making the most of these innovative tools while keeping our financial information safe. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please feel free to leave any comments or questions in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on the latest developments in technology and finance.